Hi everyone, I'm Alexi with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we're going to learn Mr. Put It Down. It's a very fun 32 count 4-wall dance. If you want to learn more awesome line dances, subscribe below. Let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to walk forward, starting with our right leg. So we're going to walk, walk, walk. Then we're going to kick with our left leg. Then we're going to walk back for walk, walk, walk together. Now if we put counts behind that, that's going to look like 1, 2, 3, kick 4. And we're going to move back for 5, 6, 7 together, 8. All right, so now we're going to get into our second set of counts. So from here, we're going to step out with our right foot and come together with our left and clap. Then we're going to go over with our left foot, come together with our right and clap. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put out our heel and kind of balance on our heel like this. And we're going to come out on this heel, out on this heel, back, and then back together. And so it's a little bit of a balance move there, and it's going to be much faster than the actual dance. Okay, so it's going to be heel, heel, back together for that second part. Now with counts, here's what that's going to look like. So we're going to step out with our right. So we're going to say 1, clap together, 2, over 3, clap together, 4, heel 5, heel 6, back 7, together 8. Now we're going to go ahead and take it from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, walk 1, 2, 3, kick 4, back 5, 6, 7 together, 8 to the side, 1, clap 2, 3, clap 4, heel 5, heel 6, back 7 together, 8. All right, so let's go into our third set of 8 counts. So what we're going to do is we're going to rock forward with our right foot. So we're going to rock forward and transfer that weight back to the center, rock back, transfer that weight back to the center. We're then going to step forward with our right foot, pivot backwards, step forward with our right foot again, and pivot again. So we're going to end up in the same position that we ended. So what we're going to do with counts, it's going to look like rock forward for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn 6, 7, turn 8. Okay, let's take it from the top. So if you recall, we're going to start with our walks, right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, walk 1, 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7 together, 8, side 1, clap 2, 3, clap 4, heel 5, 6 together, 7, 8, rock 1, 2, back 3, 4, turn 5, 6, pivot 7, 8. All right, let's get into our last set of 8 counts. So if you recall, we just did our rock steps and our pivot turns. So now what we're going to do is we're going to paddle turn to our left, a quarter turn. So what that's going to look like is we're going to paddle over to our left. Okay, now some people like to paddle like this to get to the left. Some people like to boogie it out. It's however you want to do it. Now with counts, what that's going to look like is 1, 2, 3, 4. Or in the case if you just want to do paddle more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Either way, it's going to be a 4 count till you're facing that wall. Now once we get to that wall, we're going to do a box step. So what that means is our right foot is going to go over our left. Our left foot is going to go behind. Our right foot is going to come over and our left foot is going to come forward. And with counts, that's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's put that 8 count together. So here, we're going to start off with our paddle turns and then our box step. So we're going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're ready to put it all together. So from the top, from our walks, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk 1, 2, 3, kick 4, back 5, 6, 7 together, 8, side 1, clap 2, 3, clap 4, heel 5, 6, 7, 8, rock 1, 2, back 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, 3, 4, box 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Well done. You guys just learned that entire line dance. If you're ready to stomp it out, click the link above. I'll meet you there.